Pinapalitan ng mga papuri sina Manny Pacquiao at Jessie Vargas sa kanilang press conference. Pero ang nagpatutsadahan, ang kanilang mga trainer. Mula sa Las Vegas sa Amerika, nakatutok si Mariz Umali.
Sa pagharap ng tinaguriang The Legend na si Senador Manny Pacquiao at ng The Champion na si Jessie Vargas sa main event press conference kanina, parehong ibinida ng dalawang kampo ang ganda ng kanilang training camp at kung paano nila lalong na-develop ang kanilang lakas at husay sa boxing.
Good luck, everybody, and best man will win.
This fight is the passing of the torch. Good luck to our opponent, but we're going to defend that belt.
Ramdam na nga ang init ng inaabangan laban ng 8th Division World Champion at ng defending WBO welterweight champion. Pero tila bahagyang napahupa ito sa papuring binigay ng dalawang boksingero sa isa't isa.
It's an honor for me to challenge a champion. And he's a champion. You cannot say a title holder. His trainer is right. He's a champion. He's defending his belt. And we respect that. I'm a challenger.
Manny was known as the best. You know, and in order to be known as the best, you have to beat the best. And that's the reason why I wanted this fight. I respect Manny as a person, as a fighter.
Malayo man ang diferensya sa karanasan at edad ng dalawa, pareho naman daw nilang sineryoso ang ensayo.
I have to make sure that I'm 100% condition, work hard, even though I'm working in the office.
The speed, power, intelligence in the ring savvy. You know, we have a strong hook, we have a strong right. You know, so either way, you know, if he wants to sneak over to the right, we'll catch him there. If he wants to sneak over to the left, we'll get him there.
Makasaysayan daw ang labang ito dahil kauna-unahan lalaban si Pacquiao bilang isa ng senador.
This is my first fight being a senator. I mean, I tell you this, don't do this. You know, being a senator and a fighter is not easy if you don't have discipline yourself.
Pagmamalaki ni Arum, ang kaabang-abang sa labang ito ay ang pagkakaroon ng 4 na pare-parehong WBO title fights sa iisang card. Mula rito sa Las Vegas, Nevada, Mariz Umali, nakatutok, 24 oras.